Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Credit Karma Money. Review my usage experience. Credit Karma Money is a financial service that helps users manage their finances, specifically focusing on budgeting, saving, and checking accounts. It aims to provide a comprehensive financial overview, helping users track spending, set financial goals, and potentially improve their credit score through responsible financial habits. Key features likely include account aggregation, budgeting tools, and savings goals. Their website provides details on their various features and services. A key benefit is the potential for improved financial management through easy-to-use tools and transparency. They emphasize ease of use and claim to offer a streamlined experience. Availability is likely nationwide, but users should check their website for eligibility. The service's positioning emphasizes simplicity and user-friendly tools for managing personal finances. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Credit Karma Money. Getting started was a breeze. The sign-up process took less than 5 minutes, and connecting my existing bank accounts was straightforward. The interface is clean and intuitive. I found navigating the different sections, budgeting, savings, and account overview, very easy. I particularly appreciated the visual representation of my spending habits. The pie charts and graphs made it incredibly easy to identify areas where I could cut back. The speed and reliability were excellent, data updated quickly and accurately. I had a quick question about linking a credit card, and their support responded within a day via email, very helpful. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the personalized savings goal recommendations. One minor drawback was the limited customization options for budgeting categories. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for setting up recurring transfers, but once I figured it out, it was fantastic. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Credit Karma Money. It significantly helped me track my spending and stay on top of my financial goals. That's my overview of Credit Karma Money. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.